Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Now you're probably wondering, girl, where are your lashes? If I come a little bit closer to the camera, I have my makeup done, but no lashes and no lipstick. But I'll tell you in a second why that is. Okay, so from the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I put on false lashes. It's been a long time since I've tried on falsies. A long time ago, I did try to put on false lashes, but it was just a hot mess. Like for some reason, it just didn't stay on my real lashes, and some parts were just falling out. Some parts of the band, especially at the end, were like poking out, and then I had to reapply glue, and then it was getting so close to my eyeballs, and it just wasn't working out for me. All these years, I've been wearing a lot of mascara. I'm really lucky that I have long lashes, like naturally long lashes, so I just piled on 2 or 3 coats of mascara and I was good to go. But I'm not gonna lie, a couple weeks ago, a friend of mine encouraged me to try out lashes again, you know? Face your fear. And so I did have an old pair of lashes just sitting around in my makeup collection, and I put them on, I had the glue, and you know what? It turned out to be okay. I actually loved how they looked. So last week I went to my local Walmart and I actually bought a brand new pack of false lashes. I am really excited to show you guys how I put them on. So before we get into the video, this is the pack that I got from Walmart. They are the Ardell Wispy Lashes. I see them all over social media. They are so beautiful. And yeah, they're absolutely perfect. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be using for today's video. I'm going to show you the glue that I use and another tool as well that I use to apply them on my actual lashes. Before I started filming this video, I did do about 95% of my makeup. I just didn't do my lashes and my lipstick because I wanted to show you guys the lipstick that I'm going to be using, and of course show you guys how I'm going to apply the lashes. So without further ado, if you want to see how I apply my false lashes, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, you need to have your lashes, which I have them right here. As you can tell, I used the first set. I did use them twice, so I'm not going to use them again for this video. I'm going to use a fresh set. Also, I'm going to be using an old pair of tweezers to actually hold them and apply them onto my lash line. Then you need the lash glue. Now, the one I got from when I purchased a new pair of lashes, I did get this one. And it's pretty good as well, of course, but it does come out white, so you have to be very precise and careful of how much you put on because you're going to be sitting there for a while waiting for it to dry. When it does dry, it does like change color, which is good, but if you apply a lot, you're gonna see white spots everywhere. So for today's video, I'm going to be using an older glue. It still works perfectly fine. It's also by Ardell. I'm going to be going in with this one. It's called the Brush On Lash Adhesive. So it's clear, which I absolutely love. This one you can't even see when you apply it. It looks a little bit wet on the edge where the band is, but it dries up pretty quickly. I mean, both glues do dry up pretty quickly, but this one is white, so you have to be really careful of how much you put on. This one you can put a little bit more, be a little bit more messy, and because it's clear and you can barely see it. So here is one of the lashes. This is the first one that I'm going to start with. You can actually bend the edges so that when you put it on your eyelash, it would fit nicely because it is round. Now I'm going to be going in with my glue. So basically we're just going to start putting it on the lash band. You can put as much as you think you may need. And just wave it for a few seconds like this so it gets more tacky and like sticky. And then now you can start applying it on your natural lashes. So taking my eye plucker. I like to actually look down when I'm doing this. It gives me a better view. So I like to start right in the middle. So you try to go And then you go at the end. And you need to hold it for a few seconds. And then the inner part. So just like that. So what I do is I work from the middle of my eye, and then I do the outer part, and then I go into the inner part. You have to hold each section for about 2-3 seconds into your to your lash line, so it really starts to stick. So here is the second one that I have, and that's ready to go. I'm gonna take my clear glue, just like that. I'm just going to wave it a little bit just so the glue can get really sticky. And now apply it on my other lash line, starting from the middle, holding it in. Now going through the end, holding it. And then going from the inner part and holding it. And there is the second one. Okay, so I think I got both lashes in. If you feel like one of the edges is just sticking out, get out your glue and just, just a little bit, apply it on your lash line or on the band. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to go in with mascara just to make them look a little bit more fuller, and also I want to mix in my lashes with the false lashes together. So I'm going to be using the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara in the color black. And basically, you wait a few minutes or so for the glue to dry, and then when you do put mascara on, don't go too, just use a light hand. And now basically I am just mixing both lashes together. What a difference when you put the mascara on. They just look more fuller and more fluttery, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm just going to let my top lashes just dry and have a break. I'm gonna go in with another mascara for my bottom lashes. I'm gonna be going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Alright, so I just finished my lashes. I am really happy with the way they look. Now we're going to go in with a lipstick. I'm going to be going in with a pink color on my lips. I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the color Romantic. Alright guys, that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope it was helpful if you are trying to learn how to put false lashes on or trying to get better at it. So I have zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit closer of the false lashes. I absolutely love them. They look full and fluttery and all that good stuff. Yeah, I absolutely love how they came out. Take your time with it. Don't rush. If you feel like you need to add a little bit more glue, just be careful you don't touch your eyes, and that's about it. Anyways, guys, that is all I've got to say for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. You know it means so much to me. Until next time, guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Mwah! Take care. See you later.